It's one of the biggest reasons why you should forget about hustle culture as soon as you can. Hi, I'm Rob Gibbons. I'm a sales and business coach for over 15 years, and I empower leaders to take advantage of the grit and skills they need to be successful. I'll be the first one to admit, I was all about the hustle culture, building startups, building companies, working 15 to 18 hours a day sometimes, sleeping on the job, doing what we had to do. It's a part of the business that we're all raised on. There's a significant cost. When you're early in the stages of this, and when you're single and you can do this and there's nobody waiting for you or there's no other dependence in your life, spending hours on a day working on a dream seems like no big deal. And here's the one sentence that's going to change everything around your hustle culture mentality. The only people that will remember the hours that you worked are your kids. If you've ever been a part of something that's forced you to miss birthdays, vacations, weekends with your family, you need to take a step back after you listen to this and take a good look at what you're doing. Because I can tell you this, the richest man in the world on his deathbed, I can tell you what he's not saying. I wish I would have worked more. Let that sink in for a bit. Because I'll tell you personally, that hit me like a brick.